Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll examine the best 3D printer for gun enthusiasts. That 3D printer is most compatible with users that can help them fabricate gun parts with high accuracy. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we have scoured the market for the most reliable and capable 3D printers you can use to create gun parts. The best 3D printer is used in any condition and can vary depending on the gun you plan to build. For your comfort, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these given links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is Anycubic Kobra Plus Large 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra Plus Large 3D Printer is an optimistic gun enthusiast's dream come true. With its state-of-the-art features, this printer is a game-changer in 3D printing. The Anycubic Kobra Plus is a giant 3D printer with a build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, allowing large and complex prints to be created. One of the best features of the Anycubic Kobra Plus is its auto-leveling system with 25-point precise leveling up. You can level your printer with just one touch and start printing your gun parts. The Filament Run-out Detection and Power-off resume features also ensure that you don't waste time or filament if there's an unexpected power failure or if you run out of filament. The all-metal geared extruder and 6,000 RPM dual fans ensure your filament is heated and melted quickly while your model cools down quickly. This results in smoother and finer printing, with more details restored. The carborundum glass plate also ensures excellent bonding when heated, and the imitation can be removed easily after cooling. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.